Hello, people. This is your first time here. Welcome. This is the channel, series of video tutorials for people who want to get better score in the test. We're working with written structure and expression, and we're working with adjectives. Sorry, no, articles. Articles. Yes. All right. So it's here. Problems with articles. Articles are very difficult to learn because there are many rules, many exceptions, and many special cases. It is possible, however, to learn a few rules that will help you to use articles correctly much of the time. Nouns in English can be either countable or uncountable. If a noun is countable, it must be either singular or plural. In addition to these general types of nouns, there are two types of articles, definite or specific articles, and indefinite or general articles. So, for example, here we got articles, indefinite in general, with singular countable nouns, $1 and apple. Right? A mean $1, one apple. Right? So that's indefinite because it can be any dollar, any apple. Not to be a specific one. Countable plural nouns, dollars, apples. We don't use a and. That's only for singular countable nouns. And if we have a countable noun, we definitely do not use these articles, right? Because these are money and Jews are uncountable. So they cannot be counted, they cannot be pluralized. Definite or specific articles, we got the dollar, the apple, right? We're talking about a specific dollar, specific apple that you mentioned before, or it's only one of a kind, you know. We can use the with countable plural nouns, the dollars, the apples, specifically, specific dollars, specific apples. And we can also use the with uncountable nouns, the money, the juice. Again, we're talking about specific money, specific use, right? So we got two types of articles, general, indefinite, and specific definite articles, a and the. All right. So on scale 52, use articles with singular nouns. You can see from the chart that if a noun is either countable, plural, or uncountable, it is possible to have either the definite article, the, or no article, definite. With all countable singular nouns, however, you must have an article, then you have another determiner, such as my or each. For example, I have money, right? Money is uncountable, so we don't need an article. I have books is plural, countable, so we don't need an article. And I have a book, this is countable singular, so we need an article, a. Here the following chart outlines the key information that you should remember about articles with singular nouns. A singular noun must have an article, either indefinite, a, and, or a specific one, the, or some determiner, such as my or each, right? Possessive adjectives or any other determiners. A plural noun or an uncountable noun may or may not have an article, and if we're talking about specific things, this in general. Okay, so let's move on to the exercise. Here, it reads like this. The following sentence contains different types of nouns. We're going to circle the countable singular nouns. We're going to mark the articles that have been omitted. And then indicate the sense are correct or incorrect. So let's look at the examples. It's just taking trip with friends, right? Trip is singular countable noun. So here we're missing the article. It should be she's taking a trip with friends. We got in my yard, there are flowers, trees, and grass. Yard is singular. You have the determiner my. So this is correct. That's the problem. All right. So now you're going to pause the video and do the exercise. When you finish, you come back and we're going to check what you did. So pause the video now. All right, let's see what you did. You got the manager, memo, right? These are the singular countable nouns. So we have manager, so the manager. Okay, specific one. But here we're missing something, right? It should be the manager sent a memo to his employees. Or if you know what kind of memo, will be the memo. But we need something here. We got car and we got building, singular countable nouns, the building, right? Specific building. And here we're missing something for the car. So it should be there is a car in front of the building, just any car, specific one. We got child, which is singular, milk, which is not countable. So we got the child and his friends are having milk and cookies. This is correct. Problem. Yes. Delete this because it's uncountable, and we are focusing only on countable singular nouns. Okay, she's studying to be an actress, right? Singular. We got an actress. Definite article for the singular countable noun. So this is okay. Neighbor. Okay. So we got the possessive adjectives my neighbor. So this is okay. We have machinery that prints 10 pages each minute, right? We have machinery, minute. That is a singular countable noun. We have a determiner by each. So this is correct too. Teacher. Many students are in semester singular too. So we got a semester singular. But here we're missing something. Right? It should be a teacher has many students in a semester. And number 10, can you heat water for tea? Can you heat water for tea? So it's okay. Tea is not countable, so we don't use any. Water and tea are not countable, so we don't use a determiner or an article before that. Okay, so take a look at your answers. Take a look at so here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. If you found this content useful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. And consider subscribing to the channel so it gets bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this type of tutorials, share it with them because it's free and available for anyone. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.